Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable or enable the pop-up blocker in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Brave. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is where Brave keeps all the important controls related to how the browser handles your data, site permissions, and security features. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option labeled Site and Shield Settings. Click on it to open up more detailed controls. This is where you can manage permissions for individual sites and adjust how Brave shields protect you while browsing. Next, scroll down through the available options until you find pop-ups and redirects. This is the specific setting that controls whether websites are allowed to open pop-up windows or redirect you to other pages automatically. Click on it to access the pop-up blocker controls. Here's where you can choose what works best for your browsing experience. If you want to disable the pop-up blocker, select the option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This allows all websites to display pop-ups without any restrictions, which can be useful if you're working with sites that require pop-ups to function properly, like certain online tools or payment gateways. On the other hand, if you want to enable the pop-up blocker, click on the option that says Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This setting blocks all pop-ups by default, keeping your browsing experience cleaner and preventing unwanted windows from interrupting you. It's the recommended setting for most users since it reduces distractions and helps protect against potentially harmful sites. And that's it, you've successfully adjusted the pop-up blocker settings in Brave browser based on your preference. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.